So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add Google reviews to your Duda website. So once you go to Duda and you're logged in, you can go to your website builder. After that, on the left you can see layers, theme, pages, widgets, media, and so on. So through here, first of all, open up your new browser tab, and on there find a widget creator. So I suggest you go to Elfsight, since I use it most commonly if I want to create widgets for a website. So through here, just open it up and you can see how that will look through there. And from there, you can see untitled Google reviews, so you can edit or install that. So let's just open that widget. From here, you can set up the widget through there. You can see the layout, how it will look. So you can do it through here. You can see the header, the review, how it should look on your web page. And after you're done, just click on publish. You'll receive a URL. After that, go back to the Duda site editor. So through here, you can see the option widgets with this plus sign. Click on that. From here, you can see accordion text, image, icon, and you can see HTML, button, hamburger menu. You can even see some advanced grid and some other media stuff. And you can even see here, once I've tried to type out embed, you can use it through HTML, so you can type out a code you receive, or you can go through here and use embed reviews. And you can see install, so you can even use a free trial, so you can see it will pop up like this and you can see your Google reviews there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda site or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Bye.